Hey y'all, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama. And guess what? I have a winner for you. So I will insert the picture of the winner in sometime during this video. Congratulations. She is, I believe, one of my newer subscribers, and I am so excited to have you here, and I cannot wait for the next giveaway. So I am so excited. But anyways, let's get started on this Dollar Tree haul. And like I said, I will insert the picture from the random comment. And let me tell you guys, trying to find out how to use this random comment picker was not easy. I am not good with technology. Why I started a YouTube channel, I don't know, but I'm not good with it. And it was a hot mess, but I figured it out, and yes. So I have a winner, my first winner of my weekly giveaways. So I'm extremely excited. I hope she's excited. And so anyways, I'll keep going and then I will insert the picture in a little bit. All right, guys, so when I checked out with this, the lady's like, oh my gosh, what are you gonna do with that? I got two. And I said, I have no idea. So it is a leaf wreath. I have no idea. In my plan, it's going up like this, because what in the world? I might do like a rag wreath kind of thing, but I do, because that's the only thing I'm good at. I'm not good at mesh, nothing like that, but I can cut up some rags and do that all day long. But sorry, we're trying to figure out how our puppy is getting out of their little thing, and I think he's trying to get out, so I was trying to see how he was. But let me get out of the way. Here, so it's like this little wreath. It's so cute. It's a leaf, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But I had to get it because it's fall and it's way cute. And guys, so if you watched, actually it's going to be a haul that comes up after this. Dollar Tree is now carrying just the wood planks or whatever they're called. These are called, I don't know what they're called because it doesn't say on here, but they are about 17 inches long and they are like a 1/4 inch thick. Guys, I love this because I'm going to use this to put some of my signs together. So I had bought a couple like of their signs that I want to put into a bigger thing so that it just looks a lot prettier. Although it's pretty, it's going to look a lot prettier. And instead of using popsicle sticks or something, I am going to use this. So I was way excited about this. So excited. So I got that. And like I said, another one of my Dollar Tree hauls, you're going to see where they have different sizes and different thicknesses. So I really like that also. I did get this. I have not seen this before. I love it. My patients are going to love this. So this is the Sticker Puzzles Pirates, and it includes 2 coloring pages. But guys, look at what you have to do. Let me just show you. That felt good when it opened. Oh my gosh. I live in Arizona, and it's about 8 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. And guys, I think I'm going to die. I physically think I'm going to die from the heat. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so like here's the first one. Okay, it's all jumbled up, and if I get closer, you can see that there are like numbers down here, right? So each puzzle piece has a number. And then you go over here, and here's all the pieces so you know where to put them. Guys, like, first of all, how awesome is that to teach kids their numbers, to teach kids like fine motor coordination? Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited about this. There was only one. This is the last one at that store, so I did only get one. If I do see more, I will definitely be picking them up. Oh. Speaking of those, I guess I got more. So these are the ones I said you would see in a different haul, but I guess you'll see them in this haul, which makes me excited because that might mean that I have enough to do the DIY I want to do. I want to put 3 of these together for my coffee bar and then put my containers on top of them. So anyways, these are the thick wood slats. They are 1 inch thick and they are 12 inches long. And guys, I mean, how awesome. It's already cut. It is already sanded. So I know some of the wood that they've been carrying is not sanded, and it's fine, like a rough look, but I'm not trying to get no splinters. I will get a paper cut from looking at paper. So I need everything sanded. So I did like this 12-inch piece of wood already sanded. Yes. And they are by Surface Appeal. So I got those because I'm still not allowed to touch my husband's power tools or anything. So he does have all that stuff, but then I have to wait for him to do it, and it could be next holiday season by the time he does it. So I'll just get it already cut. Thank you. So in one of my upcoming hauls, you are going to see that I found some of the Halloween and fall fairy garden things, and I'm so excited. But in this one, there is more. So I did get, oh, I think he's about to take the whole, I don't know. Anyways, so I did get the little apple house, and it has the sunflowers, it has the apples, has a little wagon wheel. Oh my gosh, so cute. Love it. So there is that one. I got that. I do make a village for Halloween and a village for Christmas, so why not make a fall village, right? Look at these scarecrows. I'm not a big scarecrow person, but when you have scarecrows that are this tiny and this cute, I will use them. I will use them. They're so cute. One's holding some pumpkins, one holding some sunflowers. Now that I'm saying that, I believe I got 2 of these because I believe they're going to be on a haul coming up. That's how much I guess I liked them. And so, oh my gosh. So, okay, something opened up in my bag. Let's just go ahead and put that to the side. Okay, we're not going to touch that right now. So I did pick these up. I have googly eyes, but I don't have them in all these cute little colors. And I thought, how cute for, sorry, my hands are pretty shaky today. There's 125 pieces, 0.3 inches by 0.6 inches. But look at all the different colors. Green, yellow, blue, red, pink, like all the different little googly eyes. So of course I had to pick them up for $1. Guys, you're not going to believe this. Look at this little cutting board that I found. It's called a breadboard, and it is by Surface Appeal also. And it is about 7 inches. And it's like 3/4 inch thick. And so, hold on one second. Okay, I'm back, and you will probably see that I just inserted the winner, so congratulations. Anyways, so look at these little mini cutting boards. They are the cutest. They only had 2, so I picked up 2. Yes, I was selfish. If they would have had 10, I wouldn't have picked up 10, but since they only had 2, yes, I picked up the only 2 they had. I'm dying. Guys, I'm going to do a walkthrough of my son's bedroom because every single time that which is not often, that he goes to the Dollar Tree with me, I find socks in my bags. I'm like, are you not washing them? Are you throwing them away? These are not for me. So yet again, we found bum equipment, men's quarter socks. And so we have those. I don't know what he's doing with them. I really don't. And I did pick up some of the foam balls. So let's see, this one is 6 pieces, 1/4 inch. This is 4 pieces, 1.9 inches, and this is the same. So what I'm going to do with these is, so I have a couple ideas. One of my ideas is I'm going to paint, I cannot find the beads anywhere, the wooden beads. I might order some online, I don't know. But for right now, I'm probably going to paint these fall colors and put them in between some garland and stuff and make them look like wood beads. And another idea is I'm going to put some of these into, I'm going to paint them just a little bit more white. And last year, if you watched my haul, I got this stuff that's like paints snow. And so I'm going to put them on here and make them look like little snowballs for Christmas and put them into the back of a little wagon. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to make them look like little snowballs. All right, so obviously I'm not going to be able to finish this haul right this second because my dog is flipping out. And you guys can probably hear him whining in the back. So let me just finish this last thing. Oh no, he's not happy. So anyways, they have food and water, just so you guys know, and they're perfectly fine. He just doesn't want to be like, yeah. Anyways, guys, look at these little metal trays. They are so cute. So this one is, hold on one second, like 5.5 inches long. And so it's 5.5 inches, 3.5 inches. And look at, they had stars on the sides. I just like these ones better. How cute are they? I know I'm going to use them somewhere, just not sure where I'm going to use them yet. Anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. Congratulations to the winner. I'm so proud of you. I'm so excited. Please contact me and let me know where I can mail it, and I will have it sent out tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.